Hello guys! Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung anong pagkakaiba ng jail and prison. Jail and prison are often used interchangeably but they serve different purposes. The key difference, jails are intended for short sentences and temporary confinement while prisons are for felony sentencing longer than a year. 5 jails include provincial, district, and city municipal jails, managed and supervised by the provincial government and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, or the BJMP, respectively, which are both under the Department of the Interior and local government. The figure is scattered in the 7 penal institutions under BUPAR. Una, the New Bilibid Prison. Matatagpuan po ito sa Muntinlupa City. On November 15, 1940, all inmates of the old Bilibid Prison in Manila were transferred to the new site. The new institution had a capacity of 3,000 prisoners and it was officially named the New Bilibid Prison on January 22, 1941. Security class is a maximum security. Capacity 17,719. The Correctional Institution for Women is a women prison located in Mandaluyong, Metro Manila, Philippines. The prison is operated by the Bureau of Correction. The prison first opened on a 18-hectare property on February 14, 1931. Previously, women were held at the Old Bilibid Prison. Capacity is 2,925. Davao Prison and Penal Farm. Formerly, the Davao Penal Colony was established on January 21, 1932 in Panabo City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. It has a land area of 30,000 hectares with a prison reservation of 8,000 hectares. Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, Philippines is one of 7 operating units of the Bureau of Corrections under the Department of Justice. The land area is 26,629 and capacity po ay 968. Established on November 16, 1904. Susunod po ay ang San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm. Established during the tenure of Governor General Ramon Blanco, whose patron saint the prison was named after. The facility was originally established for persons convicted of political crimes. Location in Zamboanga City, land area 664.68. Capacity 799. At ang last po ay ang Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, nearer to Manila than other penal colonies. The Sablayan Penal Colony is located in Occidental Mindoro and relatively new, established on September 26, 1954 by virtue of Presidential Proclamation Number 72. The penal colony has a total land area of approximately 16,190 hectares. About 466 inmates in the Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm in the Philippines used to be farmers or gardeners. The prison facility is located in Occidental Mindoro. Thank you.